We are going to show you how to do a buttonhole. Prepare your fabric, prepare your button, a pencil to mark on your fabric. You can use a chalk or even a fabric marker. Okay, prepare your buttonhole pressure foot. So different sewing machine model has different buttonhole foot, right? So you have to go through your manual or consult a dealer. Some pins, seam ripper, thread snipper, and then your stabilizer. So I'm using a Guno tearaway stabilizer, which is a 4-way tearing. For buttonhole, choose number 1, and then you turn your pattern cam at 1. This is the stitch length down. Turn to 0 to F, and then the width shall be 5. Take out your fabric and fold into half, so it's 2 pieces. Take out your button and then use a pencil to mark the length of the button on your desired location. Okay. Now you take out your buttonhole pressure foot. So this is a 1-step buttonhole. Okay, I'm using a Brother LX27NT. So the buttonhole foot is this. 1-step buttonhole. You just put your button onto your footer. Okay, so this is the adjuster. This is the adjuster. Okay, change your pressure foot to a buttonhole. If you do not know how to change your pressure foot, you can refer to our YouTube channel. Okay, just to show you how to change the pressure foot. Pull down the sensor, okay, and then push. So different model has a different setup for this sensor, okay. And then you locate your needle at the lowest point, so at the second dot. Cut a piece of your tearaway and you insert at the bottom of your buttonhole. Okay. Put down your needle and then slowly step on your foot controller. Stop and cut the access thread and continue to step. So you see, because this is a 1-step buttonhole, so it will reverse by itself. When it's near the finishing buttonhole, just lift up your foot controller, use your hand wheel to turn. Always turn towards you. And pick up lever at the highest point. Lift out your pressure foot and pull the fabric from the back. Cut the access thread. Okay, so this is your buttonhole. We are not done yet. Tear the stabilizer at the back of your fabric. Okay. Use a better quality stabilizer so that when you tear, it's easier, yet it's a very strong stabilizer. Okay. Now use a pin and pin through the top of the buttonhole. Okay. Take out your seam ripper from the middle of the buttonhole, bottom of the buttonhole, just go through, okay, and tilt up, slowly cut all the way up. So you will find that the pin is stop the cutting. Take out your pin, and then your buttonhole is open up. Take out your button to test. Okay, so this is your buttonhole. Okay, if any case that your buttonhole is not formed, what you do is that you reset the whole setting. That means you turn to other patterns and then you turn back to your buttonhole pattern. Then you pull back your sensor, your lever, and then you pull and push it again. So you redo the setup, okay? And then you can start a new buttonhole.